Do you ever catch yourself thinking, what's next? A career at Kinsley Construction is an offer you can't turn down. We try to talk you into it, but why don't you hear from the people like you?
It's just a great company to work for, and the sky's the limit.
Going into construction, I knew you go from place to place, you see different things, and you're always on the move, and everything's always changing day by day.
I have a blast doing what I do. I think it's fun.
Every day is fun, man. Everything goes smooth if you got the right people with you, and
you get what you put in. So you get into construction because at the end of the day, you can be satisfied with the work you did. And if you're not, you get the chance to do it over again the next day.
I like that it's a different variety of things we do every day. It's not the same thing over and over again. And the people that I get to work with, they're awesome.
It's a really good opportunity, and you're not just building basic skills, but you're doing something with your life. It's a career.